If you want to learn how to share a Tinkercad design the right way, this video will walk you through the main sharing options step by step. In Tinkercad, sharing can mean letting someone view your work, collaborating live on the same model, or turning in an assignment for class. I'll show you each method clearly so you can pick the one that fits your situation. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, let's look at how to share your Tinkercad design for viewing. This is the best option if you want to show off your model to a friend, teacher, or anyone else without giving them editing access. Start by going to your Tinkercad dashboard. Here, you'll see your designs listed as thumbnails. Hover over the design you want to share, then click the gear icon for options. From there, choose Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for the Privacy setting. By default, many designs are set to private, which means other people can't view them. Change the privacy setting from private to public, then click Save Changes. Once that is done, open the design's details page by clicking on the thumbnail. On that page, you can copy the URL from your browser's address bar, or use the Copy Link button if it's available. Now you have a public link that you can send to anyone you want to view the design. Next, let's go over live collaboration. This is the option you'll use if you want to work on the same Tinkercad model with someone else at the same time. To do that, open your design in the editor. Once the design is open, look for the Send To button in the top right corner. Click it, then scroll down until you see Invite People. Select that option, then click Generate New Link. Tinkercad will create a share link that you can copy and send to another person. This is great for group projects, team assignments, or working with a classmate in real time. But be careful, because anyone with this link can edit or even delete your work, so only share it with people you trust. Now let's talk about sharing for social media or classroom use. If you want to show a picture of your design instead of giving full access, Tinkercad also has a snapshot option. Inside the Send To menu, you can click the download icon to save a high-quality image of your design. This is useful if you want to post your work online, include it in a presentation, or submit a visual reference. If you are a student, you may also see a Share to Google Classroom button in the same Send To menu. That option is designed for turning in your work directly to your teacher, which makes class submissions much faster and easier. A good tip is to always double-check which sharing method you are using before sending anything out. If you only want people to view your design, make sure it is public and that you are sharing the correct link. If you need someone to edit with you, use the invite link carefully. And if you are submitting to a teacher, use the classroom option so your work goes to the right place. So to recap, Tinkercad sharing is simple once you know the difference between public viewing, live collaboration, and classroom submission. Whether you're showing off a model, working with a teammate, or turning in an assignment, you now know exactly where to click and what to choose. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.